Welcome to our guide on how to import your contacts on Twitter. Let's walk through the simple steps to streamline your connections. Step 1. Begin by opening the Twitter app on your Android device. Step 2. Locate and tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 4. Tap on Privacy and Support to further customize your privacy settings. Step 5. Within this section, tap on Settings and Privacy for more options. Step 6. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety to manage your account's privacy features. Step 7. Find and tap on Discoverability and Contacts to adjust your contact settings. Step 8. Within this menu, locate the option to Sync Address Book Contacts and enable it to grant Twitter access to your contacts. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently import your contacts on Twitter and expand your social network. Enhance your Twitter experience by connecting with friends and colleagues seamlessly. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.